cannot live without you, my beautiful.
What be this? What be this?
Listen to me, please, my love. I want to tell you something.
Carry my bag. Go and clear the container. Gaddafi is sending more goods tomorrow.
Okay.
Go and clear it inside.
Importer, exporter.
Where your Ngozi now? That girl, I can't go down ripe.
Why you ask me that kind of question?
My bio BAE. You know, say me now importer and exporter. So I want exporter.
I don't exporter.
We go now. Dollars and pounds.
Give me go
I want panda. Or give me the location. Don't worry, we'll go per me joint.
Half that thing. Let me go now. Let me can't move here.
Give me Ngozi number. Give me one name. Biakile.
It's okay. Stop singing. I can't enter your car. You have a wife.
And name now.
This girl small. Now small girl.
Guy.
This girl that thing.
Name. I can't do ripe now. You know, say my container they land next week. Before my container land, my car go container.
For 2026, so.
Oh yeah, don't understand. Stand up, you don't understand now. You all sit down for there. You can't stand up. Stay beside down.
For the struggle.
Gigi. Do you need the dollars or the euro? You need the euro, Abby. Your corn have ripe.
What do you mean by my corn?
I mean, you are not a cornflakes, so I go like me follow me go ask, make you cornflakes.
Hello, complex.
Now pounds, so I don't give you pounds now for me to pound you now. Gigi, your mother is not going to know, okay? Your mother is not going to know. This is the Mercedes Benz.
Chifokeke, what are you doing here?
Oh no, not be Chifokeke now. Now give a few pounds on dollars. Importer or exporter.
And why are you beating me with leave?
I don't want you to leave me now.
I
I don't want you to leave me now.
So why are you disturbing me? You have a wife and children at home. Wow, is that a real foreign currency?
Europe, Abby. You need Europe.
Yeah, I think I like Europe better.
Bia. Come. Jesus.
So you see the family want to boost your social media account. You never hear of prosy.ng. Now that they boost my social media, they boost my Facebook, boost my TikTok, boost anything, boost Instagram, boost like, boost views. So prosy.ng. They're active and they are priced cheap. Life.